Let's move on to some other stories. A committee of experts constituted under the National Institute of Disaster Management have cautioned against an imminent third wave that could peak around October. The report calls for medical preparedness for children who might be prone to similar risks as adults. Now, the report particularly warns about a lack of medical facilities. It says that pediatric facilities like doctors, staff and equipment, including ventilators and ambulances, are not adequate in case a large number of children are infected of the deadly virus. The report noted that vaccination should be particularly targeted towards children with comorbidities and those with disabilities as well. The committee was set up under the directions of the Home Ministry and it submitted its report now to the PMO. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us live with more details on this. Kamaljeet, good morning. This perhaps is another warning for all of us not to let our guard down as far as this pandemic is concerned. Can you just sum up for us what really has been mentioned in this report?
Well, there are two parts to that particular report. It's over 50 pages, but what is significant is it says there is no study which proves that children will be impacted. Several of the children have been impacted in second wave as well. The other part is, which is the most worrying part, is about the preparation. They pointed towards the Home Ministry panel report, which has indicated that there are not enough COVID wards, there are not enough pediatrics. So that is something which is of a cause of concern, because that goes to show the government's preparation. What is also important is that they pointed out that the Delta variant may not have so much of an impact on children. That is something that needs to be studied more carefully. What is also significant is that there is a talk about how vaccination should be made available, especially for children between 12 to 18 years of age. This is something which the NIDM has pointed out. So the panel report itself has a lot of pros and cons, but what it talks about is about the preparation, how the government needs to really add up as far as COVID wards are concerned, as far as doctors are concerned, as far as preparation is concerned, because that will be the real test of fire. Now, we've already seen a significant loss as far as COVID second wave is concerned, where the country reeled with lack of oxygen, with lack of equipment, lack of wards for people. And when it comes to children, there has to be a lot of sensitivity. Now, we were aiming at around 67% of population to be vaccinated as per the report, which has still not been achieved. Even though we know that day before yesterday 50 crore people were vaccinated, that is way falling back as far as the target is concerned. So we really need to kind of spruce up, and the government needs to look at all these measures as suggested by the NIDM.
Absolutely. Kamaljeet, thank you for those details.